Is oatmeal as healthy as some people make it out to be? Honestly, yes. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They're a gluten-free whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Studies show that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. These include weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. In this video, you will find out which are the amazing health benefits of oatmeal eating every day. Do you want to know which are the amazing health benefits of oatmeal eating every day? Before we get into it, why not subscribe to Nutrition Facts and click the notification bell? Help support the channel by watching this video until the end. Great, then let's get started. 1. Provide plenty of vitamins and minerals. Oatmeal is a nutrient-rich food that contains many vitamins and minerals, while being low in calories. Eating low-calorie foods that are high in nutrients can provide a person with the nutrients that their body needs, while helping them lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Oatmeal contains magnesium, iron, phosphorus, zinc, folate, copper, vitamins B1 and B5. 2. It can lower your cholesterol. Have you ever heard of soluble fiber? Well, compared to other grains, oats actually have the highest portion of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps your intestinal tract trap substances associated with blood cholesterol. Studies show that people with high blood cholesterol, who eat just 3 grams of soluble fiber per day, can reduce their total cholesterol by 8% to 23%. 3. Help relieve constipation. The beta-glucan in oatmeal forms a gel-like substance when it mixes with water. This solution coats the stomach and digestive tract. The coating feeds good bacteria in the gut, which increases their growth rate, and can contribute to a healthy gut. A small study examining oatmeal's effect on bacterial growth found that it could positively affect 4. Lowers risk of colon cancer. Cancer of the colon is horrible, and can be very painful. One study, pulled by researchers in Britain and the Netherlands, published evidence that there was a link between people who ate a high-fiber diet, mainly from whole grains and cereals like oats, to a lower risk of colorectal cancer. This study also covered nearly 2 million people, and specifically found that for every additional 10 grams of fiber in someone's diet, there is a 10% reduction in their risk of developing colorectal cancer. 5. It's free of added sugars. Depending on what kind of oatmeal you buy, of course. While there are some unhealthy oatmeal packets on shelves, if you simply buy a container of plain old-fashioned oats, to make a bowl yourself, your breakfast is free of any of those added sugars, artificial flavors, and hydrogenated oils. Are you enjoying the video? Hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, for more videos like this. Now, let's get back to our video, to continue with the amazing health benefits of oatmeal eating every day. 6. Enhances the immune system. Oatmeal has been heavily studied in relation to the immune system's response to disease and infection. Essentially, because of oatmeal's unique fiber, called beta-glucan, helps neutrophils travel to the site of an infection more quickly, and enhances their ability to eliminate the bacteria they find there. 7. Makes an easy, balanced breakfast. 1 cup of cooked oatmeal contains about 150 calories, 4 grams of fiber, about half soluble and half insoluble, and 6 grams of protein. To boost protein further, my favorite way to eat oatmeal is with a swirl of almond butter nestled within. This powerful combo will keep you away from that mid-morning visit to the vending machine. 8. Help control your weight. Not only is oatmeal a delicious breakfast food, but it's also very filling. Eating filling foods may help you eat fewer calories and lose weight. By delaying the time it takes your stomach to empty of food, the beta-glucan in oatmeal may increase your feeling of fullness. Beta-glucan may also promote the release of the peptide, a hormone produced in the gut, in response to eating. This satiety hormone has been shown to lead to reduced calorie intake, and may decrease your risk of obesity. 9. Shields your skin. If you look closely at the labels of some of your lotions or face creams, you probably will see oatmeal in there. At some point in history, someone discovered how great oatmeal is for dry, itchy, irritated skin. The starchiness of oats creates a barrier that allows the skin to hold its moisture, while the rougher fibrous husk of the oat acts as a gentle exfoliant. 10. It can help you live longer. It's true. Oatmeal is one of the best foods in terms of longevity. According to a study published by the Nutrition Journal, oats can help decrease the risk of autoimmune diseases, heart disease, and even gaining more weight. Plus, having a regular intake of whole grains in your diet has actually been proven to inverse mortality rates, according to the American Heart Association. Oats are an incredibly nutritious food, packed with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In addition, they're high in fiber and protein compared to other grains. Benefits include lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, protection against skin irritation, and reduced constipation. In addition, they are very filling, and have many properties that should make them a weight loss friendly food. At the end of the day, oats are among the healthiest foods you can eat.